let me just give you a walk around for classic car show in London. It's probably not the biggest shows, but probably the very awesome location in Kensington Olympia. Let me just walk you through. Those are not really classic cars, right? But it's a mix of modern cars and classic cars and coffee shops and vehicle restoration service providers, all in a place. But most spectacular probably is the building where it's actually located. As I mentioned, it's not the biggest, it's relatively small, but it's a Sunday, everything's coming towards the end, and it's not, to me, it's not a big turnaround of with people attending this event, but certainly there are some auctions happening as well in a next area of the building. But yeah, I'm just left with the speech somewhere because of the building. You know, it's just so impressive. All the structures. All right, it's not about the building, it's about the cars. So we have classic electric cars, which I would not even, I personally would not buy them, as technology will move forward and all the electric systems what they're fitting in will be backdated massively. So the more likely range is not enough. Probably you'll get more you'll get more out of it or the same range like on a GVs. So I would not waste my time, waste my money at this point of time buying classic electric or something like that. You buy then a classic vehicle and keep that vehicle for some time, in my opinion. There is a Bugatti which is a fake version, so if you're buying a car and need help to make sure what you're buying, so you don't buy something like this one, fake, with blemishes, imperfections in the paintwork. This one is replica of Bugatti Veyron, and it's based on what they're saying on Audi. You can see the price, special show price 175,000. The asking price 240. So what actually is the price of this vehicle is just probably made up numbers, in my opinion. This is what you can see inside. It's quite funny. Probably for people who can't really differentiate between Bugatti Veyron or something else. From the distance you would believe, or some girls, right? But there are people who have a lot of spare time and creation to do something like that. Bless them. Like I said, variations of vehicles at Alpine. Again, restorations. Many classic car clubs, etc. I mentioned Land Rovers, electric versions. I would stay away. Some barn finds. I did some other videos about them. The point why you need vehicle inspections on them, or on any vehicle. We got Aston Martin refurbishers. Nothing there. Some modern cars. The Ferrari club. Like I mentioned, there is many car clubs around. Some Testarossas, 318 F80s, F40. Some nice examples of Ferraris. Let me just cut through this section. It wouldn't be a classic car show or petrol head gathering where you would not see Mini Coopers, right? Let me just get to other side of this building and we'll see what they have over there. But that's pretty much of the show. There's nothing much. There has been some talks, some classic car auctions, some sold cars. Somebody made some money. Somebody get rid of their old classic cars, or in general cars they had and they wanted to sell. And yeah, that's pretty much about this classic car show. Nothing spectacular. If you feel bored, put in the comments, it's boring. You know, it's a good Sunday event. Well, for me at least. Get some good coffee. The only one great thing was here was very tasty coffee. I enjoyed it. So, as I mentioned, some of the American Car Club, some Ford club celebrating 50 years of RS 2000s, Mexico versions, and some lineup of sport and luxury cars, and there's an auction place. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. I don't even know what to say. It's just another classic car show with different cars, different colors, a different place, with different people. That's a nice example. I like that. I bought Fiat 500. Looks awesome. I haven't seen something like this before, but it does look great. Just peek inside. There's some Cadillac. Let me just show you another Muddy Fox, which is actually looks like Metro. And some weird Lamborghini, like a wagon. you can go golfing. Is that? So the Muddy Fox. The rally version. It's kind of sick looking car. Like a small Delta Integrale, eh? So, I must say goodbye. See you next time.